Day 14 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach in this pile of Pokemon cards and pull me out a pack for me to open every day. Today she's picked Phantasmal Flame for me to open. Nice set, but no longer the new kid on the block with Ascended Heroes, which I still haven't managed to get my hands on. But hopefully we will soon, so I'll put those packs into the basket for my daughter to pick out. And don't forget, the best pull in all these packs are going into a binder that I'm going to give away at the end of the year should I hit 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along so that can happen. Got some nice hits in the binder so far, mainly EX cards though, so we'd love an illustration rare, or we'd love that Mega Charizard. But today's pull is... a Mega Diancie EX card, which is nice for the binder, another EX card. We'll put it in that middle slot and I'll see you tomorrow for day 15.